Hey everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to switch your Instagram personal account to a business account step by step. First, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Now, scroll a bit and tap on Account Type and Tools. Then select Switch to Professional Account. Tap Next. Next, choose a category that best fits your profile. This helps with your Instagram business account setup. So pick the most relevant one and tap Done. After that, select Business and tap Next. Now, you'll see an option to add contact details like email or phone number. This is useful if you want people to reach you, but you can also skip it. On the next screen, Instagram will ask you to connect a Facebook page. You can log in and connect it, or just tap Skip. That's it. You've successfully switched to a professional Instagram business account. Now you can access features like insights, ads, and better tools to grow on Instagram. And yeah, make sure to complete your profile for the best results.